Okay, so to uninstall the app, just long press on the image, on the logo, and then you're gonna get a pop-up. Depending on your operating system, it's gonna look different. So in my case, I have an Android. What I have to do is just drag it to the top of the screen and drop it on top of uninstall and hit OK, and that will uninstall it. You might see something like this. And if you have a Samsung, and then just tap on uninstall. If you have an iPhone, your pop-up is going to look like this. Just select remove app and it should uninstall it. Now, if you have an iPhone and you don't see any pop-ups, just go to settings and then go to general, iPhone storage, find the app in the list, and then just select delete app, tap on that button, and it should uninstall it. Now, I'm just going to show you how to uninstall the app on an Android if you don't see any pop-ups. So just go to settings. So drag from the top of the screen, go to settings, and then go to apps, find the app, and then you have uninstall, tap on that button and hit OK. And it got uninstalled, and that's it.